Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money to Djibouti. We are going to use the Remitly app. In my opinion, this is the easiest way to transfer money internationally without having an international bank account. So basically you just have to open the Remitly app, then you have to tap on the top left corner of the screen where you can choose the country where you wish to send money to, which is Djibouti in our case. And when you choose the country, you just have to tap on Get Started. And after that, you have to type in the amount of money that you would like to transfer. On the top, you can see your local currency, and below that, you can see the recipient country's currency. Then tap on Continue to choose the delivery method. Then you have to add the first name and the last name of your recipient. You also have to add the city and the region of your recipient. You also can add the phone number, but you can also skip this step since it's not mandatory. And the last step is going to be adding your debit or credit card details. This is the last step. So the Remitly app can charge you and your recipient is going to receive the amount of money in the form of a regular bank transfer. So that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.